In this video, we're going to solve compound inequalities in one variable algebraically. It says solve the following compound inequality. And you can see that we have a compound inequality because we have more than one inequality sign in this problem. Now there are two ways to solve a compound inequality. You can split the compound inequality, so you'd split it like this piece and like solve just that piece and then this piece here. Or you can kind of do it all together. I'm going to start by splitting these two pieces. And if you want to do it all together, you can definitely do that. But we're going to write negative 4x plus 5 is less than negative x minus 7. And then because this is in the middle, we'll put an and here. And then we'll say negative x minus 7 less than negative 4x plus 8. So we start by adding 7 on this side. And we'll get negative 4x plus 12 is less than negative x. Then we're going to divide by negative, well, we actually need to get the x's together here. So let's add 4x to both sides. And we get 12 is less than 3x. Now we're going to divide by 3. And we get x is greater than 4. And now we'll solve this piece. So let's add the 4x to each side. And we get 3x minus 7 less than 8. Let's add the 7. We get 3x is less than 15. And then divide by 3. We get x is less than 5. So because x is greater than 4 and less than 5, I can write that as one compound inequality. So 4 less than x less than 5. So my interval notation would be 4 comma 5 with parentheses on each side. Now that's kind of the long way to do this compound inequality. So on the next one, I'll show you the short version. Look at the second example. So the short version of this would be to basically try and get all the variables on the inside piece and then take care of all the operations on the inside so we get x squeezed in the middle. So let's subtract 2x on each side, and we got to treat this like it's 3 sides, right? Because there's 2 inequality signs. So when we subtract 2x on each side, we end up with negative 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 3 less than 5. Then we're going to subtract 3, so we're going to start dealing with the stuff in the middle to get x by itself. Subtract 3 from all 3 sides. That's a negative 6 less than or equal to 2x less than 2. And now we're going to divide by 2 on each piece. And you'll see we end up with negative 3 less than or equal to x less than 1. So x is sandwiched between negative 3 and 1. So we have negative 3 to 1 as our interval, but we have a greater than or equal to, so a bracket on the negative 3, and we have a parenthesis, which is just this less than 1 on the 1. So our solutions go from negative 3 to 1.